Hey guys, what's up? I'm back here with your next topic, and so far we have done all the preparatory method of amines, their physical properties, their nomenclature and all. What I'm going to do right now, I'll be starting the chemical properties of the amines, and in that sequence, the first topic I'm taking is alkylation reaction of the amines, right? So let's start that and see what this is about. So like I said, I'm talking about alkylation. So let's talk about I'm taking a amine here on a random basis. This is your RNS2, which is your amine here, and you can also write it like 1 degree amine, right? And when you react this 1 degree amine with alkyl halide, you have to be very careful. This is going to be really easy and very interesting as well, and very important for the board exam. And the mechanism is going to be really simple, very short one. So you do know that nitrogen, just because it has a lone pair, and this R is having a partial positive charge, and there you have a partial negative charge. So what will happen? This alkyl group is in search of electron. This alkyl group is in search of electron, and halogen wants to get out of that. So for that, what will happen? This nucleophile, this nitrogen electron pair here will attack to the carbon, attack to the alkyl group. As a result, this bond will undergo cleavage. And due to the cleavage of this bond here, the R will attach to the nitrogen. R will attach to the nitrogen. So what you get here, you get R NH2. I'm placing one of the hydrogen down here. NH2 with the positive charge, and apart from that you have your R also. Suppose this R is different, so you can make something so that it looks different. So what you have got now, we have now converted this 1 degree amine into a 2 degree amine. So this has converted into a 2 degree amine. Why this is a 2 degree amine? Because nitrogen is now connected to 2 of the alkyl group. But wait, this is still not 2 degree amine because there is a positive charge, right? But this will convert. So what happened in the next step? Nitrogen, which is very much electronegative and is in a need of electron, so it has an option to be stable again, and that is to break this bond here and become stable. And if you remember, there was a halogen here, so this will be easily coming out with this proton and will result formation of one of the thing that will come here will HX, right? This byproduct, and then you will have your secondary amine. So there is the secondary amine now, right? So this is your secondary amine. Now what happened? This reaction doesn't stop here. This reaction doesn't stop here. So what you can do, if you further supply this if you react it with alkyl halide back again, right? If you react it with the alkyl halide back again, what will happen? Just because the nitrogen is electron rich and this one is electron deficient, this alkyl group will again go back to the nitrogen, and this will form a kind of salt here, and that's going to be your R. Then you have your N. I'm placing the hydrogen right here in a separate way, and nitrogen is now having this alkyl group here, and then you have one of the alkyl group. You can also change it. So suppose this is your next alkyl group, which is different from other two. So this is what you get, but it has a positive charge. Now what will happen again? Just pay attention. Again, nitrogen is in electron deficient condition, so this will sacrifice this hydrogen bond, and this this will become a tertiary amine. So what you get here? You get your tertiary amine like this one. So you have R over here again, and you have another R over there again, but it has a positive charge. It has a lone pair also. So there, what you obtained was, you obtained a 2 degree amine. So this is your 2 degree amine. This is your 2 degree amine. But in the next step, you obtained your 3 degree amine. 3 degree amine. So what's going to be as a question here is that how can you convert methanamine to dimethyl, or like 2 degree amine. Maybe let me write here suppose there is a question here, like you have to convert amine to, N-ethyl ethanamine. So if this is a kind of conversion you are observing in your exam, what you have to do, you have to place 2 carbon here, right? And then again you have to take 2 carbon right here. So this will be ethyl halide, this will be like ethanamine, and you will get your 2 degree right over there. But if you wish to obtain 3 degree, so this will be like NN, let me write NN diethyl ethanamine. So this reaction relates to this kind of question that you might see in your exam. So pay attention and practice them. What you need here, all you need to focus on the R, because we need ethane, so we need to have 2 carbon here. If it was methane, you could have taken here 1 carbon and all that. So this is what called alkylation of amines. This is really very, very important, right? So this is how you can obtain one amine into another and another into the next one. Like this is like 1 degree to 2 degree and 2 degree to 3 degree. And with this I have come to closing this topic right here. Don't forget to come back tomorrow, because I'll be doing another reaction of amine, and that's going to be acylation. So take care and have a